Since our chairman, Kyoichi Tanaka, pioneered the first contact lens in Japan, Menacon has been world-renowned for its craftsmanship-like approach to lens development. From our RGP lenses to our soft lenses, we have always striven to maintain an innovative and craftsmanship approach to our designs. Our one-day UpSide is based upon the principle of craftsmanship. It is a unique lens in as much as we have combined some very, very innovative polymers with unique designs to create a very soft and very comfortable contact lens. The lens is supposed to mimic a very soft hydrogel lens and therefore have a very comfortable fit onto the eye and a very broad tolerance in fitting many different eye shapes and many different eye sizes. The unique combination of the parameters that we've put into this lens, we believe, is exhibiting Menacon's commitment to craftsmanship. In order to produce world-class contact lenses, we have developed a state-of-the-art and customized facility at Kagamigahara, which is outside of Nagoya in Japan. This plant is fully automated. The process is 100% unique to the one-day UpSide and is maintained and run within a very high-quality, internationally standard clean room. No human touches the lens from the very beginning of the process to the end. In order also to make the lens as high as possible in quality for our customers, we also have a 100% automated inspection system in that factory. With NanoGloss Pro, we have attempted to create a very unique material and a very unique surface finish, the combination of which will give us a very safe and very broad-fitting contact lens. This begins in the tool stage, where we produce surfaces that range from 1 to 2 nanometers, and we do this in the mold tooling itself. We then combine this with a unique process in the manufacturing in order to combine and make this nanogloss surface. Many-Silk Air describes the unique characteristics of the silicone material that we use for one-day UpSide. Quite often, high decay or high oxygenation silicone materials can be stiff. That stiffness can create adverse events on the cornea. Many-Silk Air is made of a very unique silicone material that is very soft, has a low modulus, and has a very high tolerance to fitting onto the cornea. Thus, it is very comfortable and also mitigates any damage to the epithelial cells. As it is important for the skin to have protection from the oxidative effects of the sun's rays, it is just as important for the eyes to be protected as well. So one-day Miru UpSide has protection for UVA and UVB, which are the principal areas of oxidization that we wish to protect from the sun. This sort of protection is important for contact lens wearers because it can help mitigate long-term contact lens wear and will be useful in helping minimize the effects of early on-stage cataract or early on-stage presbyopia. Menacon introduced the Smart Touch concept some years back. It is designed to help patients have a more tolerant and hygienic means of handling their lenses in the morning. Smart Touch dictates that the lens that is in the blister pack will always be convex surface upwards. The patient then opens the blister pack and only has to touch the outside surface of the lens and then transport it to their eye. This means that the lens is going to be more hygienic because there will be less bacteria transferred from the fingers to the eye when the patient inserts the lens. We have conducted a number of independent studies that confirms that the amount of bacteria associated with handling the contact lens is significantly less with the Smart Touch than it is with handling a regular lens with a regular blister pack.